Guys, let's see if Kareem is gonna fall for. You go tell him so me find this bag of coke. Somebody drop it out of them bag. I'm wanting to hold on it and put it in a suitcase. You understand? I'm gonna see if him go what him go do. I'm gonna see him reaction. Alright guys, so stay tuned and see what's gonna happen. With our airport today right now, you know, airport JFK. You understand? Just land off of the plane and somebody drop them coke. And we're gonna make Kareem take it and put it up for it. Let's see if him gonna say a flour or if him gonna know if a coke. So that's gonna be the thing. We're gonna see how long him gonna take to figure out say a flour or if a coke. Stay tuned guys.
You take anything from me? Nothing from me.
Oh.
No? Tell them about everything except the coconut oil.
The coconut oil? I don't think that's illegal.
I don't know what I mentioned that you know, get enough information.
Speaking of illegal, you know, say.
So here we go.
You find some coke.
Liar!
Somebody. Then jump back. Don't say nothing. Eh? What do you think? You know anybody who can sell it to?
Me?
Yeah.
Get away.
Why are you for me answer?
You know about the coke? You know if you chop it, how they do? I chop then chop it or then bake it, something like
Bake it.
I bake them
I have no idea.
they make it stretch for this. You know how much street value this product cost? Enough money, you know? Eh? What do you think?
Yeah, it looks like a good weight, yes.
What do you mean, man? You probably can make about 50 grand off of this.
More.
More than that? More. Yeah, man. Hmm?
Probably.
So you know no friends here? You know New York? You can chop it for you. Hmm? You must know somebody, man.
No!
When I don't know New York, you know, from New York still. On my father's side.
So how was the trip? You tired?
The flight was fine. The flight was wonderful. Clear blue skies, just smooth.
And then what?
They target me before we come here and they target me in the side.
Before you come? Really?
Random check. Random check.
So then start you from Jamaica?
Yeah, I end it here. You walk up on my bro, I was like, where are you coming from? I take the passport from you. This is that place over there. Secondary check, whatever.
Really?
Collect it over there.
Over here or Jamaica?
Here.
Here?
So it takes a long to go on.
So that's what I'm not telling you now, because they catch people with the coke.
So that was a fucking lie.
You tell you the man nervous to rapid. And when we look, you say, that's a lot. They pick it up and throw them and so. Some coke, you know? You know what I'm saying?
From in a movie, yeah?
You know see it in real life yet? So test it out and see. See if you know. You know about it? Because me are the same thing, me see it in a movie
So
too.
what feel for true?
Me don't know.
What's the difference between this and flour?
Eh?
You see like flour.
Correct!
But
You like it?
Me no know
I
where coke.
experience coke yet still, so I couldn't say.
Me either. You can't believe it. The plane land with the coke. All them people are so brave. Putting coke on the plane. Eh? You're brave, man. Right. I'll get dig up. That's crazy. Me glide it. You know, 1 5 more pull us over now. Say anybody else follow you?
Stop it. Get some help.
More of us know now, are you? We're nervous.
She called mommy. And tell mommy said them lock you up in there.
That's it feel like for true.
Right?
I'm standing at the
I'm in a
carousel.
prison.
The carousel don't start move it. And his brother just walk up on me.
Just
Like
all
out
of
of
us
the blue. I'm like, what is this?
Jeez, So that means that you went through them, asked you the questions them already.
Yeah.
And you just a wait for your bag now.
Yeah.
No, so that's weird. Because usually,
And I'm me alone still.
Usually what they do is when you talk to the customer service,
Then them bring you another box.
right,
With
and
the-
them say, alright, come, we're gonna bring you. So it's weird for you if you go through that and I wait for your bag and then walk up on you and say, come. You know? But you say, I know you want still, so let me tell you, so the place hot. People are coming with the drugs.
Really? Liar!
But that's kind of weird, though. That him turn up there wait for him bag and then just pull him and say, we're gonna double check
Did
him.
it tomorrow.
The same thing?
Yeah.
I wonder if I flag me from Jamaica, why them check me again?
But you said that then check your Jamaica in a certain way or no?
Yeah, them check me, this and that. Because at that point in time, the big bag them gone already. How many name van intercom, right?
A Jamaica?
Yeah.
How many
What is this?
answers? How many blows and
Full
skirts?
government name them call out.
Eh?
What is this?
No, sir. They know say you not coming with anything. They know you bring it in, Karen. They know you bring it, man. Cause you look like it, you know. You got that look. Like, yo, keys me are coming with, you know. You see me? Let me tell you something, go mash the works, man.
What?
Yeah, you can get that 20 grand off of this, you know, brother. If you go back to Jamaica with. Eh?
No. No, I don't think I will.
What you say? So you want partner, you want a deal off of this?
Leave me out to get dealings, Sharon.
What? No, man, why I get scared now.
Listen to me.
Yeah, I get scared, brother.
From
You
business
say,
2.5
you say
weeks.
no to the money?
Go home.
You scared?
I said no
Don't
to
be
the money.
scared. You know, I make nothing to you, man. You know, see, we gone out of the airport, clear and good. I call it the clear port. Gone. Nah, catch you again, you know. Yeah, Mr. You gone with this, England with the cook. It's killing me. It's a bit. Yeah, man.
Stop right there!
Yep. Explain yourself.
You can explain myself, sir. I'm not going to have me sitting on Mr. God, what am I do now?
I cannot see. I'm legally blind.
Thing, man, that's why.
People that come in before me, I hold up the line and do that annoy me.
Suspicious. First of all, you don't normally travel. All of a sudden, you take a trip to New York once last year, and then now you come again. Suspicious.